So 13th vlog. Thank you so much for coming back to watch, and I don't have really much to say for this intro other than I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi guys. Kaylee just got 50,000 steps. I got 50,000 steps today. Oh my God. Thank not only God but Jesus.
We're back here again. What's new? Kylie made a friend.
Oh! Wow! Oh, thank you. I know. They want one? Yeah, I'll take some.
Yeah, thank you.
Contradictions of who we are and who we wanna be. Know yourself. Now she's out in California.
Got something on your face.
It's gonna get worse, don't worry about it.
Oh, also, do you want to just spend on me $10 and then I'll spend it to my brother?
Hey, Kaylee.
Oh yeah. Am I on vlog? Star footage.
So
Hey Blake.
we are going to be athletic and awesome, and we're going on a walk along the river, and it's going to be really fun.
Lights paint the skies. Only you. So
So my 100% vegan lunch is broccoli, black beans, I have greens underneath, some lo mein, some roasted vegetables, and some tofu. And some green beans in here too. So it looks delish. How many chia seeds are in there?
I think like maybe 16.
Let me see.
I put too many, I'm sorry.
Why? Because you thought that would make you healthy.
Yeah.
Can we just take a second to look at this meal I made for myself?
I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go? Where do I go? How will I know? How will I know? I used to walk these roads with you. Where do I go?
Hey vlog, I'm with these people. We are gonna go eat yummy food in DC. How's the game going?
Good. Come on, Hudson. We're losing by 7.
Oh, that's okay.
Contradictions of who we are and who we wanna be.
Hey vlog, so we're at Scott's Run. This waterfall right here, it's so beautiful. And you're like, why aren't you guys swimming? I'll show you. These guys are here, and I look so funny. Okay, these guys are here drinking and smoking, and we don't want to bother them.
No, we don't like that.
But they keep looking at us.
But we also keep looking at them. I think we're leading them on in the wrong.
Yeah.
We don't want to, but we accidentally are.
Yeah, but so yeah.
Yeah.
This is my life.
Maddie and Brooke are up there.
Hey vlog, so I'm in the water.